Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU21-41. This is your Easy Lube grease cap for your 5-lug trailer axle hubs. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is part number TPU21-41. This is your Easy Lube grease cap for your 5-lug trailer hubs. This cap works on 3,500 pound axles and down. They're all the same size for the 5-lug. It has the rubber plug right here that you can pop off. And when you pop it off, it'll expose the grease dirt on the spindle of the axle where you can easily grease it up. Real standard. So we'll just measure it out real quick so you can see. So the diameter is going to be 1.98 inches. That's where it's actually going to go inside of the hub on the axle. 1.98. And it is 1.38 inches tall. And it comes with the rubber plug already. So it's ready to go. These things fall off all the time. They're really easy to get damaged, and they're really hard to put back in once they fall off, because if they're not perfectly round, then you're going to have a heck of a time getting it back in. So having these on hand is a really good way to keep your hubs protected to where dirt doesn't get up in the grease and grime and all that. So I always recommend carrying a few extra of these around because they fall off real easy. And you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.